Hello guys, you're welcome once more to NEPH, your ultimate the channel where we solve problems in math. I'm your tutor Mr. Okay, and if you're new, you're highly welcome. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and send the link of this channel to somebody that is may be of help. Alright, so today we have a problem on the board that says factorize 2y² minus 15xy plus what? 18x what square. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, let's solve this simple word problem. So the first thing is I want to recall the general form of our what? Quadratic equation to be this. Okay. But since this is an expression, we are not going to say it's equals to 0. So from this, we can see that my A here is 2, our B here is minus what? 15, and our C here is what? Plus what? 18. Alright, so let's bring out that. So A is what? 2, B is minus 15, C is what? 18. The next thing you want to do is you want to find A times C. Very, very important. So A times C, A is 2, times C is 18. So 2 times 18 is what? 6. Alright, so from this point, what we want to do is we want to look for what? Two numbers that their sum is going to give us minus 15 and their product is going to give us what? Okay, 36. Okay, not 18 but what? 36. So what we are simply going to do is we are going to find the factors of what? 36. So the factors of 36, we know that I have 1. Okay, 1 can divide 36 without remainder. 2 can go to 36 without remainder. 3, okay, can go. Let's see, 4 can go. What about 5? No. How about 6? Yes. 6 can go. Which other number? Yes, 7 cannot go. 8 cannot go. So we have 9. Alright. After 9, is there any other one? 10 cannot go. 11 cannot go. So we have 12. Okay. So 12 can go. We have also 18. Plus 18 times 2 is 36. And we have what? 36. So these are all the factors of 36. Now, between all these numbers, we want to look for two numbers that when we sum them, they are going to give us minus 15. Okay. So what are those two numbers? If you try, okay, let's say 6 and no, 6 cannot work. If we have 6 plus 6, no. So let's try 4 and 9, 4 plus 9. That will give us 13, so it will not work. What about 12 and 3? 3 plus 12. So the numbers by investigation we have is what? 12 and 3. Let me circle them. So we have 3 and we have what? 12. So from this, the next thing is we want to put the signs. What are the signs? So is this going to be a plus or minus? Is this going to be a plus or minus? Alright, so let's quickly check that. So let's try minus 3 plus 12. Let's also try plus 3 minus what? 12. Let's also try minus 3 minus what? 12. Okay. So for this, if we multiply them, of course, this is going to give us what? Minus what? 36. If we multiply this and this. Okay. And we are looking for 36. This is also going to give us minus 36. We are looking for plus 36. So it means this and this will not work. And if we sum these two, okay, for this we are going to get 9 and we need minus 15. For this, we are going to get what? Minus 9. Alright, so what about for this? If we multiply minus 3 and minus 12 is going to give us what? Plus what? 36. Alright, and minus 3 plus minus 12 is also going to give us what? Minus what? 15. Okay, so the Real numbers by investigation are what? So we have minus 3xy and what? Minus 12xy. Alright, so let's write the expression again and substitute these values into the expression. So we are going to have our expression as 2y squared. Okay, then we have can count minus 12xy. Okay, then we have minus 3xy, and we have plus what? 18x squared. Okay, so now that we've substituted these two values, okay, which also represent minus 15xy, we can now what? Factorize the expression. Now let's look for what is common here. For the numbers, 2 is common, and for the alphabets, I can see that y is common. So I'm going to divide this by what? 2y, and I'm going to divide this by 2y. Now for this, okay, we have minus. Okay, now what is common? All right, now we can look at 3 and 18 to see what is common. And from what I'm observing, okay, 3 is here and 3 can also divide what? 18. So 3 is common. For the alphabets, x is common. So we have 3x to factor out for these two expressions. So we have 3xy is going to divide 3x. Okay, and we have now for this, we have minus here, so this sign will also be minus. Because minus times minus, we want to check that it gives a plus. Okay, so we have 18x squared divided by 3x. Okay, so from this, let's cancel out. So we have 2 cancel 2, y cancel one of these, so we have 2y multiplied by y minus 2 into 12 is 6 times y cancel out y, so we have 6x, so minus 3x. How about this? 3 will cancel 3, x will cancel x, we are left with y minus 3 will cancel 18 is 6, x will cancel one of these, so we have is 6 what x. Okay, so from this expression we can see that this is what? Common. Alright, so we're also going to factor this out. Okay, so let's factor it out and see what the final answer to this problem is going to give us. So to factor this out, all I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this by y minus 6x. I'm going to divide this by y minus 6x. And we are going to bring what? This y minus 6x outside. Okay, so this will cancel, this is 1, 1. So we have y minus 6x. Okay, into, we are left with just 2y here. Okay, minus, this will cancel out, this is 1, 1. So we are left with what? 3x. So this, or, okay, you can bring this first. So 2y minus 3x multiply y minus 6x gives us the solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share this video to somebody who needs your help. I'll see you guys in my next one.